Well, that sucker is toast. In my pre-departure walk around today, I noticed our left rearmost tire is down to the wear indicators, and all of the other tires are still looking quite good. It's even wear across the tread pattern, so not sure what that means. But that tire is done. Slightly more wear on the inside than the outside, but in general, pretty even across it. So I'll swap that tire for our spare tire at the earliest opportunity. These ones over here are all good. Very strange. 1 out of 6 tires. We have a TPMS, so we make sure that we are spot on with our pressures all the time. So it's not an overpressure or underpressure issue. So if you have any ideas, let us know in the comments what could cause this. Just the one tire and pretty much even wear across it. Just one bad tire? I don't know. Let us know if you know. We decided not to risk driving on that tire anymore, so before we head out this morning, I found a local tire shop called Great West Tire in Kingman, and so they're going to swap the spare tire off of its rim and onto that one, and I bought a new tire to act as the spare. So I'll have 6 tires all the same on the trailer, and the spare will be the oddball, but that's fine. Great service here. They were able to take us right away and got right on it. Had a tire in stock. The yard is nice and big for RVs to turn around in, and so made it real easy. I'll show you the yard here. Yeah, so they have tons of space here. So far, no reason to not recommend these guys if you happen to be in Kingman and need RV tire work done, or any vehicle for that matter. They seem to be very good. Half an hour or so later, and we are ready to hit the road. Great service here.